You're watching a Showcase Our Specialties segment, and today it's all about Robbie and his top-notch team.
Maintenance team is a joy to work with, and I love being here at Tri-County.
So Robbie, tell me, what part does maintenance play in production?
We try to maintain and keep the equipment up and running to where we, the production department, can run seamlessly.
And not only do you support our production department, but you also support our fleet department of over 45 vehicles.
Yeah, fleet is very important to us to be able to get our the materials to our customer, and we want to make sure we have a safe fleet. So we do preventative maintenance on those machines and have them run ready 5 days a week.
Now, how does maintenance play into Tri-County Metal's mission for on time and complete?
We come in early to run our preventative maintenance before the piece of equipment comes up and runs. We do preventative maintenance on all of the equipment. We will, any breakdown, anything we saw trouble yesterday, we will work on that before the production team gets here.
Now we have some new technology innovations coming with dispatching software that allows us to live track our trucks and production type software. How does maintenance support that effort?
So we run the projects like this and we support it, but I see the need for this innovation to come forward, and our team loves to serve. These projects are beneficial to the lifeblood of the company.
And Robbie, one last question. Tell me, how do you keep the toilets running at Tri-County Metals?
You have to pull the whole toilet up every week and then put it back down, and it'll work seamlessly the rest of that week.
You rock. Thank you for watching. I'm Justin Spears.
Robbie Till, Maintenance Manager at Tri-County Metals.
Have a great day.